Hey guys, this is Dominic and let's talk about the greatest ICO of 2025, BlockDAG and the native token BDAG. If you've been following my channel for a while, you already know I've covered BlockDAG a couple of times now. But honestly, every time I dive back into this project, it just keeps surprising me. The buzz around BlockDAG hasn't slowed down at all. In fact, it's everywhere right now. Every crypto blog, every influencer, everyone's talking about it. And if you check out the press releases, all the ratings and the community excitement, you'll see why people are getting so hyped. So let's jump into what's new and what this project keeps grabbing everyone's attention. But as always, this video is made for educational purposes and does not contain any investment or financial advice, so make sure to do your own investigation and research before investing. Now, BlockDAG is inspired by Bitcoin and Caspa, but it takes things to another level. It's the world's most advanced layer 1 blockchain built with this cutting-edge proof of work algorithm. That means it's insanely fast, super secure, and completely decentralized. This is not just for the big institutions either. It's designed so anyone can use it and anyone can mine it. You could literally buy mining from your phone, which I'll be getting into in a second. Let me put it in this way. In a bull run, the biggest returns don't come from Bitcoin and Ethereum anymore. Those are solid, but the real game changers are the ones that turn heads, are these new tier 1 projects launching right now. I honestly BlockDAG as one of those rare gems with massive potential. And just so you know, I'm not alone. Seriously, check out the media coverage. All the press, the constant stream of ratings and all the action in their Telegram community. It's wild. So what actually makes BlockDAG stand out? For starters, it's crazy fast. The way their DAG architecture works, transactions get processed in no time, fees are super low so you're not getting hit by those annoying gas fees like on other networks. It's EVM-compatible too, so if you've used Ethereum, you'll feel right at home. And scalability? They've nailed it. BlockDAG was built to handle everything from daily transactions to full-scale DeFi protocols. And get this, they've been rolling out a BlockDAG crypto payment card so you can actually use your coins in the real world. Plus, their proof of engagement mobile app lets you mine crypto just by engaging with the ecosystem. You don't even need a massive setup. Now, when it comes to the value of the BlockDAG token, it's really driven by things like supply, market demand, adoption, and how engaged the community is. Investor sentiment plays a huge role too. The cool part is their presale is set up in a way that lets the price grow with the project. It started way back at batch 1 with a price of just $0.01. By batch 29, it's up to $0.0276 and the price keeps increasing gradually with each batch. After batch 30, the next price detail will be up on the official BlockDAG site, but just know that the price is pretty dynamic and actually reflects what the community is doing right now. How many people are interested, how fast the project is being adopted, that kind of thing. Now, here's where things get really interesting. The presale itself, BlockDAG's presale is huge and honestly it's probably the most unique ICO out there right now. The presale is split into 45 different stages. The price of the BlockDAG token started at $0.0015 and has already shot up 10 times to $0.015. The listing price is set at $0.05. So from today's price, there's already a 10 times guaranteed profit on the table. And yeah, the team is planning extra bonuses and rewards for early investors. So if you're in early, you're in for even more perks. Let me show you how easy it is to actually get involved. You just go to their site BlockDAG Network and click on join presale and then connect your wallet. Once your wallet is connected, you'll see this dashboard where you can buy the tokens and you can assess a bunch of other features. In the home tab, you'll see this place where you can select the cryptocurrency you want to use in order to buy the BlockDAG. Just select a currency and enter the amount you want to buy and go ahead with the transaction. It's really that simple. If there's any promo available, it will automatically add the code so you can benefit from the discount or bonuses tokens as well. After you purchase, you can easily see your coins by connecting your wallet on the website and checking the total BlockDAG balance tab. And by the way, the BlockDAG coins will be accessible after the presale ends. Also, if you end up purchasing any mining hardware, you'll get a proper invoice shipped with your hardware plus a confirmation in your email. So it's super transparent and super smooth. There's even a section called ROI calculator that shows you how exactly and what your coins could be worth at any stage or at launch and how much you'll be able to profit. Now, there's a lot of buzz around BlockDAG in the community with some really big names attached like partnerships with Inter Milan and Alex Pereira, and there's a cool twist called buyer battles. Every day there's a 50 million BlockDAG limit, and if not all tokens are sold, the top buyers gets the rest. So there's this constant competitive energy that keeps things exciting. Also heads up, the presale is ending soon and BlockDAG will be launching on over 20 exchanges, including some big ones like MXC, Bitmart, Coinstore and XT.com. Global launch is set for August 11th and the current pre-sale price is $0.0276. After the global launch, this offer will disappear, so make sure to not miss it. And just so you know, there's a $2 million giveaway going on right now. So if you're watching this soon enough, you might still have a shot at that because it will be over on August 13th. Now, let's conclude the video. For me, what really sets BlockDAG apart is the mining. You can earn passive income from up to 100% API with their mining equipment, whether you go for cloud mining, whether you tap into remote data centers, or set up your own hardware like ASIC miners. If you don't want to get into all that, you can literally just mine on your phone with their free mobile app. It doesn't get more accessible than that. So yeah, personally, I'm super excited about BlockDAG. I mean, we saw Bitcoin take off in 2009, Ethereum in 2014, Solana in 2020, and now in 2025, it's BlockDAG's turn. Missing out on this ICO honestly feels like a crime. All the links you need are in the description, including the project page and giveaway. Check them out and once again do your own research and see if BlockDAG could be your next big win. This is not financial advice, but I'm seriously hyped for this one. Stay tuned for more.